Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of CNN autoencoder for image compression and reconstruction of remote satellite images. So in this project, we have collected the dataset of remote satellite images, and based on the CNN autoencoder algorithm, we are training the dataset of remote satellite images. After that, we will get the high resolution images based on the CNN autoencoder algorithm. Now we can go for the code. Type ideally. Click on open. File open. So this is the data set we have collected. So now click on the model. So this is the CNN autoencoder model. So initially we have two layers, encoding layer and decoding layer. Then forward encode and decode. In encoding layer, first we will do convolution and batch normalization. And in decode layers, we will do the convolutional transpose to dimensional and batch normalization to dimensional. This is the CNN autoencoder model. Now we can go for the training code. So this is the training code. Here we are importing the model by using import library. Now after that, we are taking the dataset folder. Here we are defining. Then here we mentioned epoch 30. After 30 iteration, it will train the model. And these are the optimizer and loss of parameters which is used for index accuracy. Learning print here we are used 0.1. Click on run model. Once you run the model, you will get the training process. It will start the training process till epoch 30. The process will continue. So here you can see the epoch 23. Till 30 it will train the dataset. So now it's epoch 24. Till 30 it will continue the process. Once the epoch 30 iteration is completed, here you will get the model, saved model. Autoencoder file will get once the data set is trained. Okay. So we can go for the testing code. So in this, we are loading the model autoencoder. Once it is trained, can load the autoencoder model. Based on that, it will detect the high resolution of images. Click on run model. So here you can see the original image, compressed image, and reconstruction of images. And we can check for the I can input. We can give the inputs. On run model. So we can see the virtual image, compressed and reconstruction of images. Can give one more input. Click on run model. You can see original image, compressed and reconstruction of images. Parallel, you can see the mean square, peak signal noise ratio, and also compress ratio.